Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional-looking gaming logo for your YouTube gaming channel or any other social media platform. So, if you're starting a new YouTube channel or any social media, and you want to design a professional gaming logo without any hesitation or experience, the best part of Canva is that it lets you modify pre-made templates created by professionals and creatives. So create an account on canva.com. And after signing up, go to the search bar and type Gaming Logo, and you'll see plenty of options. You can see these pre-made templates and customize whichever one you like. Just go to the See All option, select it, and scroll down to modify whichever template you prefer. So right now, these are the paid templates. But don't worry, you'll find free versions as well. For example, this one is free, and you'll get a lot of options. You can see, let me choose this one. Which one should I pick? All right, I'll go with this one. Okay, you'll have plenty of options, so just choose whichever you like. Customize the template, and after that, you'll be able to modify anything you want. So if you want to change the text, just click on Text and type like this. And if you want to resize your text, you can do it like this, or resize it from here. To change the font, go here and choose whichever font you like. This is the option to change the font color. And this is for making text bold, italic, underlined, or strike-through. This is for uppercase and lowercase. This is alignment. This is to make a list. And this is for letter spacing and line spacing. This is for transparency, and this is for effects if you want to add any to your text. You can choose one, and if you want to make it curved like this, you can do that. To remove it, just remove it. And if you don't need animation, go to the position. If you click, just click on Position, and it will move with one click. You can just reposition it. Now, if you want to change the color of an element, just click on it. And here is the option to change color, like this. You can change the color, and the same way you can add a border line. And if you want to add any strokes or make it curved, you can play around with those options. And yeah, that's the simple process. If you want to replace or change a ninja, then go to Elements, type Gaming Ninja, or go to the graphics. Here you'll see other options. Just remove it and add, or maybe use this. Also, you can add your own elements like this. Before exporting, make sure to check everything. Ensure it's all ready and in proper order. To download, rename your file and go to the Share option, then Download, and download it as PNG. Or you can download it in other formats as well. So yeah, that's a simple way to make your gaming logo in Canva within a few minutes, even with no experience. So yeah, that's a simple way to make your gaming logo in Canva within a few minutes, even with no experience.